different, guys. I saw that probably some of you guys are going to have difficulties just based off of the presentation I did yesterday. So I wanted to give you guys some a little bit of a hands-on demonstration of what I'm talking about. So I came out here because this is going to cause a little bit of a mess. And the first thing I have is that cylinder I was using yesterday. And hopefully you should be able to see it here. But notice today I filled it up with blue water. Now the blue water that is in here is the volume of this cylinder. This is how much water this cylinder can hold. This is the capacity of this cylinder. Now if you see right here, I also have a pitcher that has a smaller circumference. It's actually an oval, but we'll pretend it's a circle today. But it has a smaller circumference, a smaller radius, but it's taller. So the question I want to ask you right now is, which one of these two do you think is going to hold more water? Is it going to be this shorter cylinder that has a larger circumference? Or is it going to be this taller cylinder with this smaller circumference? Which one of these two do you think is going to be the one that has a larger volume, a larger capacity? So the way that we could figure this out is by just simply pouring the blue liquid that's in here into this one and seeing which one has the larger capacity. So I'm going to start here.
This is why it's outside. But as you can see, I'm starting to get near the top of this right here.
And there's the capacity of that. And if you look at this, you look at the blue cylinder, it still has liquid in it. So of the two variables that we have, the circumference or the height, the larger the circumference, the more chances it has of holding more liquid. All right. So while this one is taller, this one is the one that holds more liquid. So let me pour this back because I got another demonstration. Okay. Like I said, I lost a little bit of water, but for our demonstration's sake, it'll be fine. All right. So this is going to go off to the side, off screen. I don't need it anymore. The second part of our lesson this week is on the circumference of a cone. And I'll do a little presentation on that later. But for now, I just want you guys to kind of get an idea of where we're going to go with this. So this cone is the exact same height as the cylinder. And if you look at the circumference of the circle on the bottom, notice that a cone also has a circle. A cone is pretty much a circle that goes up gradually, and the circles get smaller and smaller as you go up. But if you look at the base circle, it's the same circumference. I can't pick this up and push it to the side, but just take my word on it. They're the same size. So this circle is the same size as this circle, and they're the same height. So clearly this holds less than this because it's missing all the outer edges. But exactly how much is this missing? How much is this cone missing? So to figure that out, there's a simple exercise that we could do. We can start pouring the cylinder water into this cone and seeing how many times it takes to fill up the cone. All right. So there's one. Let's see how many more trips we gotta do. Alright guys, so apparently my phone got too hot and the last minute of that last video got cut off. So all I wanted to add to that was the fact that those cones hold about 1/3 the capacity of a cylinder. 1/3 of the capacity of the cylinder. So you saw that it took 3 cones to hold all that water that was inside those cylinders. So when I do the lesson, that video that I'll post probably tomorrow, you'll kind of see where that 1/3 comes from in that formula that we use to figure out the capacity of a cone. So just remember that. Again, I know this stuff is going to be a little bit frustrating for you guys, but just know that I'm here to help you guys Monday through Fridays from 1 to 2. And then again, you guys could always set up an appointment with me for one-on-one help. I'm here to help you guys. Like I told you yesterday, it's going to take 5-10 minutes of me explaining it to you with some concepts for you to get this stuff. All right. So if you need help, make sure that you're reaching out to get it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.